This video will explore a powerful breathing technique called Kapalbhati. It can help improve digestion, detox your body, and bring peace to your mind. The Sanskrit word kapal means cranium or forehead, and bhati means light or splendor, and also perception or knowledge. Hence, Kapalbhati is the practice which brings a state of light or clarity to the frontal region of the brain. Another name for this practice is kapalshodhana, the word shodhan meaning to purify. It's a special breathing exercise that cleanses your mind and body. It's a part of traditional hatha yoga. Kapalbhati is amazing for your digestion. When you exhale forcefully, your stomach muscles work like a pump. This gently massages your digestive organs. It helps make your digestion stronger, reduce gas, and boosts your metabolism. It also helps your body absorb nutrients better. Kapalbhati has a cleansing effect on the lungs and is a good practice for respiratory disorders. It balances and strengthens the nervous system and tones the digestive organs. Also, it helps you remove sleepiness. In today's world, our air is full of pollution. Even tech entrepreneur Brian Johnson recently visited India and shared how the pollution affected his throat and eyes even while using a mask and purifier. Many of us are breathing in tiny harmful particles every day. These enter our lungs and brain and cause health problems. Kapalbhati helps us fight back. It clears the lungs, improves oxygen in the body, and removes toxins. It's like a deep clean for our inner system. Modern science supports Kapalbhati too. Studies shows it helps calm the nervous system, balance hormones, and improve metabolism. One research paper even showed the regular practice helped people reduce stress, improve digestion, and increase energy. So here's how you do the practice of Kapalbhati. Sit in a comfortable meditation asana with your back straight. The head and spine should be straight with hands resting on the knees in either chin or Jnana Mudra. Close the eyes and relax the whole body. Exhale through both the nostrils with a forceful contraction of the abdominal muscles. The following inhalation should take place passively by allowing the abdominal muscles to relax. Inhalation should be spontaneous, recoil, involving no effort. After completing 10 rapid breaths in succession, inhale and exhale deeply. Allow the breath to return to normal. This is one round. Practice up to 5 rounds of 10 repetitions each. The rapid breathing should be from abdomen and shoulders and face remain relaxed. Beginners may feel several free breaths between rounds. The number of respirations may be increased from the initial count up to 10 to 50 as the abdominal muscles become stronger. Advanced practitioners can increase up to 60 to 100 breaths per round. As a Shatkarma, to clear excess mucus from the nasal passages, Kapalbhati should be practiced before pranayama. Kapalbhati is simple, powerful, and free. But there are a few precautions one need to take care of. One should practice in an empty stomach 3 to 4 hours after meals. If practiced late night, it can prevent sleep. If pain or dizziness are experienced, stop the practice and sit comfortably or quietly for some time. Practice with more awareness and less force. If the problem continues, consult a competent teacher. There are few more contraindications that need to be taken care of while you're doing Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati should not be practiced by those suffering from heart disease, high blood pressure, vertigo, epilepsy, stroke, hernia, or gastric ulcer, as well as it is not recommended during pregnancy. Make sure to take care of all of this and do share your experience with the practice of Kapalbhati. Just a few minutes a day can boost your digestion, clear your mind, bring fresh energy into your life. Feel free to share this video with your loved ones or your friends. Thank you